Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products in the three-rail O-Gauge hobby. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition Lion Chief Plus 2.0 and Lion Master Big Boy steamer in unique Union Pacific Armor yellow colors for Train World. Expected to arrive in October 2026, the early order price is $1199.99. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition Vision Line GP40-2 diesel, decorated as Baltimore and Ohio GP40 number 3685 exclusively for Patrick's Trains. Expected in October 2026, the early order price is $799.99. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2026 Premier O-Scale 40-foot USRA double-sheathed box car in 6 different schemes this fall. Available colors include Atlantic Coastline, Chesapeake and Ohio, Toronto, Hamilton and Buffalo, Santa Fe, Bangor and Aroostook, and Menasha Wooden Ware. Expected to begin shipping to authorized retailers in October 2026, the suggested retail price is $84.95. MTH will also be producing 2 exclusive and limited edition 40-foot USRA double-sheathed boxcars for Mr. Muffin's Trains, decorated for Bessemer and Erie. There will be 2 unique road numbers for each car, expected to arrive in October 2026. The early order price is $76.95. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale -8 diesel locomotive in Indiana and Ohio colors for exclusive distribution by Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers, available in late March 2026 in extremely limited quantities. The early order price is $629.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale 440 American steam locomotive in Philadelphia and Reading colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The locomotive will be sold along with 64-foot wood-sided passenger cars in the same color scheme. Both locomotives and cars will be packaged separately, and each will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2026. The early order price for the locomotive is $944.96. The early order price for the 4-car passenger set is $449.96. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 64-foot wood-sided passenger car in Norfolk and Western colors for the Train Loft. The cars will be individually packaged but sold as a 7-car set in extremely limited quantities. Expected to arrive in April 2026, the early order price for the complete set is $879.55. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 3-dome tank car in Cheerwine colors for the Train Loft. These cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2026. The early order price is $82.95. MTH Electric Trains will be producing 3 custom decorated limited edition Premier gondolas for Stockyard Express. The cars will be available decorated in 2 numbers each for Bethlehem Steel, Nickel Plate Road Maintenance of Way, and U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Expected to arrive in May 2026, the early order price is $79.95 each. And if you are like me and you enjoy building and operating stationary live steam engines, check out the selection available from our friends at StirilingKit.com. Or check out their selection of other model kits, including the countertop V8 or this cool steam locomotive humidifier diffuser with lighting effects. Follow the link in the video description and use the promo code TOYTRAINTIPSAND for additional savings. Also remember to visit our online storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and be sure to subscribe and click on notifications to keep up with the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching.